If you are a training provider looking to upskill your students in the world of software quality and systematic testing, or an organization looking to enrich your team of developers with testing expertise, then the A4Q SDET Foundation Level Certification is for you. We help developers become experts in quality software engineering and equip them with the necessary systematic skills needed to excel in an ever-changing industry. The 3-day course covers fundamental testing skills and enables developers to design tests with automated execution, filling the gaps for developers who are increasingly responsible for testing in agile teams. With our hands-on approach, students will learn to identify and use relevant testing methods and procedures to ensure the software they develop exceeds every expectation. Our training covers essential basic testing techniques and focuses on crucial white box and black box testing methods, as well as reviews and static analyses. All of our training is practical, hands-on, and includes programming of test automation, and is delivered by qualified providers to ensure a high-quality training experience. Once complete, your students or employees will easily show their proficiency in testing and quality engineering using our globally recognized certification. Talk to us and start developing quality software engineers today.